Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Right? Let us multiply. This is question number 2 of 1. That is 1 is 2 by 3 into 2 whole 2 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 whole 2 by 3. The whole number should be multiplied with the denominator, right? 3 is 2, 3 is 6, and the answer will be added to the numerator, right? That is 2, 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. That is 8 by 3. 8 by 3. And that is equal to 8 is 16 by 3 is 9. Now divide 16 by 9. Divide 16 by 9. That is 9 1 is 9. 7. That is we are getting 1 whole 7 by 9. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2 is 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Here 7 1 is 7. 7 1 is 7. Therefore 2 into 1, that is 2. 1 into 9, that is 9. That is 2 by 9. This is the answer, question number 2. Now question number 3 is 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Right? Divide by 2, that is 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6. Right? Therefore, you are getting 3 3 is 9 and 4 4 is 16. This is the answer. Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5. That is equal to 3 times 27. 5 5 is 25. If we divide 27 by 25, we are getting divide 27 by 25. Here 25 1 is 25. That is 2. That is we are getting 1 whole 2 by 25. Now question number 5 is 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. 15 by 8. Here you can reduce this number. 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15. 1 into is 5. 5 1 is 5 and 8 1 is 8. That is 5 by 8. This is the answer. Now question number 6 is 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. 3 by 10. and we are getting 3 11 is 33, 2 10 is 20, right? Now if we divide 33 by 20, we are getting, divide 33 by 20, and 21 is 20, is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 13. That is, we can write here as 1 whole 13 by 20. This is the answer of question number 6. Now question number 7 is 5, 6, 7. Question number 7 is 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. That is equal to 4 into 12, 4 12 is 48, 4 12 is 48, and 5 7 is 35. Right? Now divide 48 with 35. And we are getting 35 1 is 35, 6 7 8 3, and 4 13. Right? That we are getting 1 whole 13 by 35. 13 by 35. This is the answer also. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.